In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Analytics 4 property in just 5 minutes. Setting up a Google Analytics 4 property is an essential step for anyone looking to gain in-depth insights into their website or app's performance. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or a digital analyst, having this tool in place will help you make data-driven decisions and understand your audience better. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the official Google Analytics landing page. You can do this by going to Google and searching for Google Analytics, or simply visiting the URL specified in resources linked to Google Analytics homepage. Once you're there, look for the option that says Sign into Analytics and click on that link. Make sure you're using the Google account you'd like to associate with this property, as you'll be asked to log in if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Analytics homepage. This is where you can view data for existing properties, but today we're focusing on creating a new one. Look towards the lower left corner of your page for a gear icon. This is your settings or admin panel button. Go ahead and click on that. Now in the settings or admin panel, you'll see several options. You're looking for a button labeled Create. It's fairly prominent and often located at the top of the property column. Click it to begin setting up a new property. You'll be presented with a couple of fields to fill out. Choose a name for your property that's easily recognizable, perhaps something that reflects your business or website's name for easy identification. Next, you'll need to specify your reporting time zone and currency, as this will influence how your data is aggregated and reported. Make sure to choose the options that are most relevant to your business operations, as these settings can affect how data is interpreted. After you've filled in these initial details, click Continue. Now you'll be prompted to provide some additional business information. This includes selecting the industry category that closely matches your business and specifying your business size. These fields help tailor Google Analytics to provide suggestions and insights that can be most beneficial to you. Once you've entered all the details and reviewed your selections, go ahead and click on Create. Google Analytics will take a moment to process, and voila, your Google Analytics 4 property is now set up and ready to be integrated with your site or app. Remember, each website or app that you want to track needs its own property, so repeat this process for any additional properties you want to create. As you become familiar with Google Analytics 4, you'll find that it's an incredibly powerful tool for understanding your online presence and enhancing your strategic decisions. Thank you for joining, and happy analyzing.